Hey lovelies! In this video, I will show you how to make these beautiful lanterns. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. I'm using these jumbling towel blocks from Ross and DollarTree wood glue. So we're going to start out by making the big lantern. And right here you see I'm gluing three towel blocks together and 2 towel blocks on each side. And the goal here for the big lantern, we're making 4 sides and we're going to be connecting them together. Hey lovelies! So if this is the first time visiting my channel, well, welcome to the family. I love to have you here. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And if you're enjoying the video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. In this clip, you see I made 3 of the sides for the big lantern. And I did go ahead and start the little ones. And for the little lantern, we're still going to make 4 sides, but it's going to consist of 2 towel blocks glued together and 1 towel block glued on each side. Now we're going to be attaching the big lanterns together as you see in the video. Next, we're building the little lanterns, and we're going to make 2 sets of the lanterns. We are positioning them first, and then we're going to glue them together. Hey guys, I lost the clip where I made the little stands inside each lantern, but all we're doing is gluing 3 tumbling blocks together and positioning them. And for the big lantern, I did the same thing. I glued together 10 tumbling blocks and positioned it inside of the lantern. And now you can see I'm painting it the black in color from Waverly. Okay, it's time to bling it out, y'all. So I'm using this ribbon. I got it from Amazon. And we're going to be cutting 4 strips and measuring it on each side. Now I'm going to be using this silver contact paper on the inside of the lantern on each side, as you will see in the video. This silver contact paper, it doesn't stick very well, so that's why I'm using this extra glue to secure it. Okay guys, we are continuing to bling this out with the ribbon all around. Now I'm using these little mirror tiles around the perimeter of the base. I'm measuring and will be covering the base with the silver contact paper. Wow, guys, we are all done. It turned out beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. And where in your home you would put these beautiful lanterns. Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because I have my 100 subscriber giveaway coming up. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.